Let me tell you a story.
There was this little girl and her friend that always spoke very loudly and made noises by hitting their chairs or their plates. Due to the noise they made, nobody could hear what others were saying. When they were asked to be quiet,
Let me tell you a story.
one time at her birthday party, her mom gave her a cake. But she did not want to share the cake with the other children.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What is happening here? I don't like this.
You probably thought this boy and girl were not behaving very well. This boy and girl should not be so loud. They are always making loud noises that are not very funny. They embarrass their friends and their parents by always making so much noise in restaurants, school, home, and movie theaters. If they continue being so loud and are never quiet, their friends will not invite them to their houses or to the movies. Their parents will be very sad because they will not have any friends. Remember, you do not need to be so loud, and sometimes you need to whisper to not bother others, like when you go to the movies. Remember to lower your voice and not hit things on purpose to make noise. If you are nice to others, you will always feel good about yourself.